Imagine streaming all your favorite channels without worrying about privacy or speed limitations thanks to VPN. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to integrate a VPN certificate with your IPTV setup. First, let's get the necessary VPN certificate by visiting your VPN provider's official website confidently. Next, download the VPN certificate file, usually in CRT or PEM format, for easy utilization later. Store this file in a secure and accessible location on your device for future IPTV configuration needs. Now, onto your IPTV device or application, go to the Network or Security Settings menu excitedly. Locate the Certificate Management option. Many IPTV interfaces are user-friendly, so explore them. Then, choose to add or import a certificate, navigating through the user-friendly interface with easiest logic. Select the VPN certificate file you downloaded and stored securely earlier for quick accessibility. After importing, ensure that the certificate is properly recognized by your IPTV system without error issues. Now you're almost set. Restart your IPTV device to apply all these essential security changes seamlessly. After restarting, experience enhanced streaming security with your newly integrated VPN certificate instantly. Notice the peace of mind and improved streaming speed as your IPTV connects securely through VPN. Combine the power of VPN and IPTV for unstoppable streaming capabilities, unlocking global entertainment easily. Finally, to enhance your IPTV experience, explore 2tv.store for premium IPTV services at great prices. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more fantastic tips and upgrades for your IPTV solutions.